Good morning students. Today videos the hexagonal and face center cubic arrangement. Okay, they already discussed this one, the body center cubic arrangement and simple cubic arrangement already discussed. Okay, they today discuss the hexagonal and face center cubic arrangement. Okay, this is the hexagonal and face center cubic arrangement. Okay, the formations of first layer. The first one, this is the first layer. This arrangement, the first layer is formed by arranging the spans as in the case of two-dimensional AB arrangements. Okay, that is the spans of second row fit into the dispersions of first row. Now designer this first layer A. Okay, so the next layer is formed by placing the spans in the depressions of the first layer. Let the second layer is the B. Okay, this is the first layer is the A, the second layer is the B. Okay, all clear. The next, the formations of second layer. The second layer, the second layer, the first layer A, there are two type of voids and they are designed as X and Y. This is the gap, this hole X and Y. This is the occupy. So the second layer B can be formed by placing the spans either on the depressions X on Y. So they consider the formations of second layer by placing the spans on the depressions. Okay, the next, the third one, a span of second layer B is above the valid X. Okay, so is formed the first layer A, the tetrahedral void is formed. So this consisted four spans, the three in the lower and one in the upper layer. When the center of these four spans are joined, a tetrahedron is formed. Okay, so the sometime the void Y in the first layer and A are partially covered by the spans of layer B. Okay, of layer of the B. Okay, then now search a voids in A is called a octahedral void. So this consists in 6 phases. The three lower layer A. So and 3 in the upper layer. The lower layer 3 layer A and upper layer 3 layer B. So when the center of the 6 spans are joined and the octahedral is formed new tetrahedral voids. Okay, this is the new tetrahedral voids. So also created by 3 spans in second layer B and 1 space of first layer. Okay, this is the formations of second layer. Okay, then formations of third layer. The formations of third layer. This is the formations of third layer. This is the AB arrangement and this one. Okay, then third layer, the first one AB arrangement and HP structure. This is the HP structure. And then ABC arrangement, CCP structure. This is one CPP structure. Okay, then the spans can be arranged so as to fit into the depression in such a way that the third layer is directly over a first layer. Okay, so the ABA arrangement is known as the hexagonal close packed arrangement. In this arrangement, the tetrahedral voids of the second layer are converted by the spans of third layer. Okay, this is the ABA. Okay, the alternatively third layer may be placed over a second layer in such a way that all the spans of the third layer fit in the octahedral voids. So this arrangement of the third layer different form other two layers A, B, and hence the third layer is designed C. If the stacking of layers in continue in ABC, ABC, ABC pattern. Okay, so the arrangement is called CCP structure. The cubic close packed, so CCP structure. So the both HCP and CCP arrangement, the coordination number of each spas is 12. The 6 neighboring spas in its one layer, the 3 spas in layer above, the 3 spas the layer below. So this is the most efficiency packing. Okay, this is the HCP structure and CCP structure. Okay, the next one discuss the cubic close packing is based on the face center cubic unit cell. Face center cubic unit cell. Okay. Is ratio. The structure of an ionic compound depends upon the stoichiometry and the size of the ions. Generally in ionic crystal, the bigger anions are parent in the close packed arrangement and the cations occupy the void. The ratio of radius of cation and anion Rc plus and Rca minus plays. So the important role in determining the structure. So this table is discussed. The Rc plus anions and Ra minus anions. Okay. The ratio of the occupy the radius C means cation. So radius A minus anions. The coordination number, the first one 3 unstructured trigonal planar. For example B2O3. So see this table important. Okay. The next one discuss imperfections in solids. Imperfections in solids. So the law of nature, nothing is perfect, and so crystals need not be perfect. So they are always found to have some defect in the arrangement of their constituent particles. This defect affect the physical and chemical properties of the solid, and also play an important role in various processes. For example, process called depouing leads to a crystals. So imperfection, and it increases the electrical conductivity of a semiconductor material such as silicon. So the ability of ferromagnetic material such as iron, nickel, etc. to be magnetized and dimagnetized depends on the presence of imperfection. The crystal defect are classified. The first one point defect, and second one line defect, and third one interfacial defect, and fourth one volume defect. Okay, the first one discuss point defect. The types of point defect. This one. The 3 types of point defect. The first one, the stoichiometric defect. The second one, non-stoichiometric defect, and third one, impurity defect. Okay, the stoichiometric defect, the 2 types, the Schottky defect and the Frankel defect. The non-stoichiometric defect, metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. Okay, this is the first one discussed, the stoichiometric defect in ionic solid. Okay, the stoichiometric defect, the ionic solid, also called inertic thermodynamic defect. So in systematic ionic crystals, a vacancy of one ions must always be associated with either by the absence of another oppositely charged ion. So the presence of same charged ion in the industrial position so as to maintain the electrical neutrality. Okay, so the Schottky defect, the next one discuss the Schottky defect. The Schottky defect, see this picture. So the Scotty defect arises due to the missing of equal number of cations and anions from the crystal lattice. So this effect does not change the stoichiometry of the crystal. The ionic solids in which the cations and anions are of almost similar size. So Scotty defect. For example, sodium chloride. The Na plus ions, the pink, okay. The Cl minus ions, the green. So the presence of large number of Scotty defect in a crystal layer, and then the in density, for example, theoretical density of vanadium monoxide and calculations using the edge length of the unit cell is 6.65 gram. Okay, so but actual experiment density is 5.6 gram centimeter minus cube. So the indicators that here this approximately 14% and Scotty defect in vanadium monoxide crystal. Presence of Scotty defect in the crystal provide a simple way by which atoms or ions can move within the crystal lattice. Okay, thank you, student.